Abu Simbel Temple. This great temple of Abu Simbel is located in Egypt. This temple is dedicated to the glory of Pharaoh Ramses II. The front of the temple is dominated by four gigantic statues of the great Pharaoh himself. The king, wearing the characteristic Nemes headcloth and double crown, are each 20 meters high. Facade is more than 35 meters wide and 30 meters high. The king is accompanied by some of his wives, sons, and daughters who appear in much smaller size besides his legs. Above the entrance is the figure of god Re-Harakte in a small niche. The central entrance leads into a large hall with massive pillars. The orientation of the temple is in such a way that twice every year on 22 February and 22 October, the earliest sun rays shine on the back walls of the innermost chamber, thus illuminating the statues of the four gods seated Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Angkor Wat is a temple at Angkor, Cambodia, built for King Suryavarman II in the early 12th century as his state temple and capital city. The temple is the epitome of the high classical style of Khmer architecture. It has become a symbol of Cambodia, appearing on its national flag, and it is the country's prime attraction for visitors. Angkor Wat combines two basic plans of Khmer temple architecture: Temple Mountain and the later Gallery Temple, based on early South Indian architecture, with key features such as the Jagati. It is designed to represent Mount Meru, home of the Devas in Hindu mythology. Unlike most Angkorian temples, Angkor Wat is oriented to the west. The temple is admired for the grandeur and harmony of the architecture, its extensive bas-reliefs, and for the numerous devtas adorning its walls. The modern name Angkor Wat, in use by the 16th century, means city temple. Angkor is a vernacular form of the word Nokor, that is capital, which comes from the Sanskrit word Nagara, while Wat is the Khmer word for temple in Indonesia. Built from over 1 million blocks of stone, Borobudur is the world's largest non-monastic Buddhist temple and a World Heritage Site. One of the world's largest temples, it was built on a hilltop in the 8th century by the Sailendra dynasty. The temple is a miniature model of the universe. Borobudur is a 9th century Mahayana Buddhist monument in Meizling, Central Java, Indonesia. The monument comprises 6 square platforms topped by 3 circular platforms and is decorated with 2,672 relief panels and 504 Buddha statues. The monument is both a sacred place to the Lord Buddha and a place for Buddhist pilgrimage. Indonesian ancient temples are known as candi. Thus, Borobudur temple is locally known as Candi Borobudur. The term candi is also used to describe any ancient structure, for example, gates and bathing structure. The existence of temple was sparked in 1814 by Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles. Catacombs of Qom al-Shuqafa. Catacombs of Qom al-Shuqafa is situated in Alexandria of Egypt. This culture existed 1900 years ago. They consist of a labyrinth, that is, a complicated series of parts of Greco-Roman tombs dating to the first 2 centuries AD. This complex warren of tombs was cut into the rock beneath the modern city. Access down a spiral stairway leads to 3 levels of burials, although the original tomb may have belonged to just one wealthy Alexandrian family. This complex structure has vast decorated interior. Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Leaning Tower is in Pisa, Italy, is famous simply because it leans. It is basically the bell tower of the cathedral of the city of Pisa. Though it was designed to stand straight, the tower began leaning to the southeast soon after the onset of construction in 1173. The construction stopped for a century as Pisans were continually engaged in battles. In 1272, construction again started and the engineers built higher floors with one side taller than other. The height is about 57 meters until 1990 was leaning at an angle of 10 degrees. The reason of leaning is that the tower is built an unsuitable land for such a tall and heavy building. It is only about 2 meters above sea level and built on riverbed. The underground is made up of uneven layers of sand and clay, thus resulting in compression at some places than others. Mont Saint-Michel. Mont Saint-Michel is located in France. It is said that in 708, a dream led Saint Aubert, the Bishop of Avranches, to create a shrine to Saint Michael at this site. Since then, it became one of the major pilgrimage destinations in medieval Christendom. The building of the monastery are piled around a conical mass of rock which rises abruptly out of the waters of the Atlantic to the height of 300 feet, on the summit of which stands the great church. The abbey, all through the history, has served as a monastery, a prison, and a fortress against the English. But now it is best known as place of pilgrimage. Parthenon. Parthenon in the Acropolis of Athens reflects the glory of Athens, the power and influence of the Athenian politician Pericles, who championed its construction. The architects of the Parthenon were Ictinos and Callicrates. It was dedicated to the goddess Athena, Pallas, or Parthenos. The main function was to shelter the monumental statue of Athena that was made by Phidias. The Parthenon was built entirely of marble except for its wooden inner ceiling. The interior was divided into two rooms, one centered from west and the other from east. It has magnificent statue of Athena in gleaming gold and creamy ivory, and for a spectacular picture around the top of a room that is considered one of the world's greatest works of Shwedagon art. Pagoda. It is located in Yangon, the capital of Myanmar. Shwe means gold and Dagon is an ancient city. Hence, Shwedagon means the golden pagoda at the city of Dagon. It is believed to have been built nearly 2600 years ago, that is, during Buddha's lifetime. 8 strands of the Buddha's hair are believed to be enshrined in the pagoda. The pagoda was only 20 meters high when it was first built. Many rulers made major improvements, and now the height is 98 meters and circumference of 425 meters at the base. It consists of a huge mound on top of which there is a great stupa. The stupa is richly decorated and encrusted with rubies and precious stones, making it a truly priceless work of art. Stonehenge. Stonehenge, located at Salisbury in England. Stonehenge consists of 162 stones and is 35 paces across. These stones are called menhirs and are gigantic pillars protruding from the earth. Some are sandstone and others are bluestone. It is believed that the Stonehenge complex was built in several phases, taking at least 3000 years. It has been called a prehistoric computer because the alignment of the stones seems to be directly related to the movement of sun, moon, and the planets. Stonehenge is Britain's greatest national symbol, symbolizing mystery, power, and endurance.